Dog Studios presents. This is the Tornado Man 2 movie. Exclusive production by Lucas the Explorer. The movie recorder by Lucas the Explorer. The movie maker that edits the movie is Perfect. And this is the movie. Starting now. Hi, it's April 9th of 2015. And what was the day thingy? It's my wife's birthday. Karen Moons. Alright, let's go to celebrate your wife's birthday. Karen Moon, wake up. Today's my birthday. Okay, let's plan up the party kit. Many hours later. We're waiting. Wait, do I hear chatter? Let's go outside. Party guesses. What's going on? Freak Steven. My brain is destroyed getting by the drunk virus. Oh, welcome to the CDC. I'm gonna put tape on your mouth so you can be quiet and go to the hospital. Many minutes later at Downey. So is he alright? Of course he is. Let's see now. And take out your tape off. I think I'm normal. Let's go. Later at 7:55 p.m. Oh yeah, the customers. Well, you gotta see something in those sewers. Well, don't make any sounds. It'll wake up the crocodiles. What's that? Maybe I know, the zoo. What might be in these sewers? And now we're in a deep hole line of the sewers. That place was a nightmare. What's that? An alien spaceship? You get in the bus now. You know the plan, guys. I go in and check if someone's okay, you go to the villain, and you destruct their leg, okay? It's too small. Much better. Oh. Yeah. Are you my villain helper? Yes, I am. Alright, let's go to the spaceship and revive you into a cyber. What do you mean cyber? We give you bandages and your back looks awful. You got spikes and tree spikes and thorns. And look at that. You got lots of boats in the air. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it. Yeah. We know that this evil guy has been destroying the passage of that voyage from the typhoons. Now they gotta build it all over again. And other stuff. No, that's my favorite thingy. I gotta tell this. Yes. And look at that. That evil guy is destroying everything and even my favorite stuff to go on, like restaurants go. No. Well, I got really tough by eating that moosekin. Well, I'll be ready at like tomorrow, like daylight. 12 hours later, I think. Oh, forgot this. I forgot to get ready. I get all the phone stuff, and I'm ready. I will soon get ready now. Meanwhile, at Mars, wow, this gigantic Tornado Man destroying machine is actually working. Yeah. Let's turn it on. Let's go to the tail door. 2 minutes later. Oof. Whew. We gotta still get ready to stop this Tornado Man. Yeah. I need my partner, Zephyr. Yes? Let's gotta save our lives. I mean, their lives. Dr. Hot Gold. Yes. We gotta stop this. Now. Yeah. We gotta get our neighbor, Mr. Billy. Ding dong. Yes. We need help to save people's lives. Oh, I got ready. Oh, and there's my phone. It says there is a robbery army. Here's news reporter, and there's actually a robbery army, and they're nearly to destruct our city. Ah! Oh, need our heroes. And once I see them, I'll put them to the news. Yeah, that's what he really said. Okay then, and let's go. Hey, that's that robbery guy again. Another me. Oh, it's you guys again. Now call me Taco Feet, but it's pineapple. Well, we ate it. Oh yeah, I created a insults called Tomato Belly. What the? That's weird. Go to the slammer, to your lair. Alright. I give up. Let's get the other ones. I got the other one. You get yours. Ow! We did a really good job. I did it with my belly. And meanwhile, I can see the earth, and the earth looks like the size of 2 dimes. Oh yeah, and until we see a peak of a laser. That is a peak of a laser. Wow, that came true. Well, we gotta still go for that tornado man. Uh-oh, not the moon, the moon! Well, that was badly bad. We can move slowly. Wait, do we see that big explosion coming? Is it because of the scraping? I think so. We're gonna still go for it. Mayday! Wait, we got one criminal left. He got out again. Oh, great. What are you doing? Well, I'm making them into a tsunami for that alien to go. Yeah. Well, I can kick it back with my laser. Great. What's this problem now? There's a fire ahead of us. Well, we gotta do it way fast. Oh no. What are we gonna do? It's Dave. Oh no, Dave! We're gonna crash into the moon! Oh, that was badly bad. Again. Hey, and that guy said mines again. Oh, I gotta go. What do you mean, badly bad? Yeah, well, I said it in the first place. Oh, I did wars. This one won't do evil. I'll do it, Master. Here, Will. You wouldn't say badly bad. Only I. Well, I joined the sunlight. Well, there's some grumpies over there. Well, you hurry up. We gotta get on here. We gotta get out of here. And soon we'll be safe in this on top of the roof of sprouts. Oh, this sunlight was better now. Again. Wait, what's that tiny speck on its ear? I gotta talk about the belly meat again. Oh, there's no lasers over it. I heard it again. Wait, it's same gone through over there, which means well, let's race. I will beat you. Oh yeah. Oh no, it's coming towards us. We gotta run. Run, Tornado Man, run. And you too. Oh, that's got even worse. By crashing into sprouts and hearing all these comedy chatters. I mean, look, Dave. I mean, really. I'm gonna destroy these people and destroy sprouts. Let this dragon eat some food. Eat those like food in that are being sold in the store. Yeah, you stole these foods, and now are being sold for people to eat. And blah, 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 blah. Let's kick him out. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's demolition more. Well, that hurt. Oh, look. Come on, let's get out of here. Oh my gosh. They destroyed the entire sprouts. Whoa. That's scary. We don't want to end up burnt. We just hear people groaning. Just listen. Ow, wow, 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 wow. I just hear them wowing. Hi, are you the losers team? No, we're not. We are. Can you make up a team? The Power Brawl. Well, you Power Brawls. Or Baller Balls. We're not balls. This is a ball. Ow. I'm just biting the ball. Oh. There we go. Is that a car tsunami? Let me go get it. No, I'll get it first. Yeah. I'll get it first. I'll get it. Yeah. You let me know, Charlie. But Car Wars. Use your tornado power. Okay, I will. Oh yeah. Car skates. Wow, that almost. You just cut. Let's stop this cutting. Bang. Wow, that pretty destroyed it. Yeah. Well, do you give up now? Well, you're the original super hero, but you're a loser failure, and you're a hamhead, taco feet, and tomato bite. How did you hear it? I got a laser track from my thingy I have. Oh yeah, well, you can understand this, and that's not an understanding. An understanding is like this, like you're told. I am not told. Ow. Dr. Hot Cold, do your thingy. Be adventurous happy. Okay. Yeah. Oh. You You burnt me. I'll burn you back. Ow! Let's break him until you would be slashed into halves. Bang, 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 bang. Ow. Now you're tomato bodies. I am not a tomato body. That's it. I am not a tomato body. Make him Zapper. Or else I will destroy you, Zapper. What do you mean, Zapper? I will destroy you by zapping you back. Oh yeah, I will zap you back from the back. And back. I am ice cream. Alright, we gotta construct the stuff now. 4 hours later. Whew. We did it, but it's finally good. Or at least the grumpy mans are here. Yeah, well, we're here to destroy you. I am the news reporter, and he's a good guy. No, he's not. Yes, he is. No. Let's destroy all humans. It's a human tsunami. Well, that was bad for them. You were gonna be in prison. Well, FBI. Well, that was the second rule of police. I wonder what will happen next. You let me no choice, but mutating monsters. I mean, animals to monsters. Oh yeah? How are you gonna mutate it? With my toxic waste. Oh my god! What could make it impossible? But impossible for them to fight. Ah! This lizard. And this crow. Uh-oh. Oh boy. We gotta fight. Okay, let's throw him out. Wait, what about the giant crow? Oh yeah, Tornado Man. What's your real name? My name is Sparta Burren. Okay, Spartan Burren. Okay, let's fight. Oh, we gotta stop everything now. Oh yeah, everything's not over. They're overheading. Overheading? You mean overhead washing? I didn't mean that. Oh yeah? I'll beam you until you're completely ghost. It. Instead of making this dragon like a lost dragon, I'll rename him because his owner is no more for his name, and I'll adopt him. Is your Dave name no more? I'll name you Pilker. Pilker Luskever. Okay, you can be part of our team because you have that fire breath and fighting. Okay, team picture. Get your own free team picture. Jeez. Let's see the picture. That looks great. Well, let's go to the house. We need some grub. We're gonna grub later. Later. Yeah. It's pretty tasty. Let's see the news. Well, this is Sam here, and there's one gigantic thing heading towards Earth. And it's sort of like that Mechagodzilla from the Kong movie. And that's pretty strange. And we gotta find out with our heroes. And can you see it, Duncan? Yeah, I saw the hero first. They call me hero. Oh, you are done with the visit by getting out of the house, and out of the house means going for a fight. Let's take a fight. It's like a rhyme. Okay, Pilker Luskenberg. What's a rhyme? Bring it on. I see the shuttles again. It was like in later in 2014. Yeah, later in 2014. This is the narrator, Lucas. Just like in the thingy, when Dr. Hotcold was evil back then. Hey, and that was back in 2014. Well, in 2015. Let's see the thingy I was just recording. Hello, losers. We are not losers. I was in that game, and you were making me evil, and that's the worst thing I ever tasted in my brain. Oh, that's a brain nut. Like a walnut. And my brain is not a walnut. Yeah, we gave in the dumb version of Tornado Man a test with my clear voice. And Tornado Man was my brother. I'm just really happy. And how about you, Pilker? See, everybody did a good deed for me. Well, Dee is your name for your pet dog. Oh yeah, my pet dog is a German Shepherd. enough talking and let's go to the machine. Huh. Machine? What kind of machine are you talking about? Peterson Washington? Yes? Giant robot. Frank Steven. Mr. I told you, no screaming. And my hero mates with the Power Brawl. Yeah. Laser beam. Oh no. We're getting slime. We're getting twisted with our robot, and I feel vomiting. Oh, I didn't see that coming. Me too. We're both twos. Which means we're odds. We're not odds. We're not shaped like an odd. We're villains. Yeah. I guess don't hear your evil laughter. Ice. Fire. Tornado power. Electric. Yeah. We did it. Yeah. No. Instead of yeah. Yes. Instead of yo. Oh yeah. I'll see if there's a new hero that might come to defeat me. Or I'm gonna return for that new hero and I'll dominate. Oh, am I gonna die? Well, I'm gonna not. Okay, I'll go to my house. Bye. Okay, let's go to our house. And good night. Dr. Hot Cold by Lucas. Tornado Man by Lucas. Zapper by Lucas. Mr. Billy Bean by Lucas. Mechagodzilla and Lizard and Crow by Lucas. And other stuff by Lucas. The Tour Guides, or the Tour Guides by Lucas. Dave and Pilker and Luskenberg by Lucas. That's all for now for the Tornado Man 2 Revenge of the Crab.